back, I'll be showing you how to make papaya exfoliating scrub. This scrub is so good because it's going to help you to remove any dead skin cell from your skin so that your skin can glow. So stay tuned.